Regret hit after placing the Uber Eats order. Don't panic. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to cancel it, while also explaining what might happen depending on when you cancel. Alright, first things first. Open up your Uber Eats app. You should see the main screen with restaurants near you. We need to get to your current order. So tap on the orders icon at the bottom of your screen. It looks like a little receipt. Now, you should see a list of your past and current orders. Find the order you want to cancel. It will be marked as active or preparing. Tap on that order to open it up. Okay, this is where things get interesting. Look for a button that says cancel order. If you see it, great. That means the restaurant hasn't started preparing your food yet. Tap on it. Uber Eats will then ask you to confirm your cancellation. You'll likely see a message explaining any potential cancellation fees. Make sure you read this carefully before you proceed. If you are okay, go ahead and click the button to confirm the cancellation. Once confirmed, you will receive a confirmation that the order has been canceled. If, instead of a cancel order button, you only see a contact support option, this means the restaurant has likely already started preparing your order, or the driver is on the way. In this case, you'll need to contact Uber Eats support directly through the app. Explain your reason for wanting to cancel. Keep in mind that if the food is already being prepared, you may not get a full refund or any refund at all. It really depends on their specific policy and the situation. So there you have it. Canceling an Uber Eats order is pretty straightforward. But remember to act fast and be aware of those potential charges. Hopefully, you found this helpful.